Hi, so today we are going to learn about the condition for system of two linear equations to have infinitely many solutions. So the condition is pretty simple. So we just need to understand the standard form of the equation in which the condition is talking about. So we need to convert both the system of linear equations in the form of ax plus by is equal to c and px plus qy is equal to r. So the condition is simple. We just have to equate the ratios. So a by p, so x coefficient should be equal to b by q, which are the y coefficient, is equal to c by r, where c and r are constant. So the condition is pretty simple. Now we'll just look at an example how SAT applies this concept in a question and how we can leverage it to solve one of the easy questions. So let's just read the question. The question says, for which values of k are there infinitely many solutions for the below equations? So we are given two system of linear equations and we need to identify the value of k for which there are infinitely many solutions to this equation. So we have already just now seen the criteria for satisfying infinitely many solutions. So we'll just bring these equation into a standard form. So simplifying equation 1, we'll get minus x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to k minus 2. So we'll simplify it to get minus x plus 3y is equal to k minus 8, right? And as for second equation, we can rewrite it as 2x minus y is equal to 4. So now it's in our standard form and we can compare the ratios to satisfy to find the value of k for infinitely many solutions. So that would give us minus 1 by 2. The coefficients of x should be equal to the coefficients of y, that is 3 over minus 1. So what we look here is that these are not equal and these are independent of k. So we can straight away say that there is no value of k for which the equations will have infinitely many solutions, because in order to find the value of k, this should have been equal. Either the coefficient of x should have been 3 by minus 1 or the coefficient of y should have been minus 1 by 2. So the answer for this is directly none of the above, as no value of k will make these equations to have infinitely many solutions. But friends, on the other hand, if the ratios were given like this, minus 1 by 2 for x and minus 1 by 2 for y, and the constant would have been k minus 8 by 4, then we were in a position to find a value of k. So how would we proceed further in that case? The procedure would be simple. We'll just equate k minus 8 divided by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2, right? So we'll just cross multiply it to find the value of k from this equation, and that k will give us the answer for infinitely many solutions, right? So remember always to check the ratio for all the coefficient x and y as well as constant. If we would have simply equated the constant terms, that is k minus 2 equal to 4, then this would have been wrong. So the value of k which we'll get is 6. We would have marked that and that would have been wrong. So remember to avoid these silly mistakes and to learn the concepts. These are very helpful and easy concepts which can help us to score high. If you have any doubts regarding this question or any SAT math question, do post them in the comment section below. Thank you.